Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Dodge Challenger, guys. That generation here from year 2014 all the way to year 2024. If you want to see how to remove, guys, or how to replace center dash vent, we're talking about, okay, that dash vent right here, guys. You see these vents? If one of them is broken, if it doesn't work, if you want to see, guys, how to do that, we'll cover that step by step. We'll explain how to do it. If you need to buy any parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So, guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. In addition, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we need to do now? Okay, first we need to remove the center dash trim that's around the radio, dash vents there. Okay, how we're going to do that now? Okay, let's explain that thing now. We're going to get, okay, some prying tools, plastic prying tools. You're gonna get behind, you're gonna have a few clips here and there. Okay, those are plastic clips, okay, that are quite tight, guys, but eventually they do come out. We'll show you what they look like if for some reason you break one. Okay, we'll have a we'll talk where, okay, you can buy a replacement one from. Let me see this one here now. It's a little bit tight on this side. Okay, perfect, it came loose. Now I need to move the steering wheel, okay, all the way down, right, all the way down and all the way out as well. That way, okay, we'll be able to pull it out without scratching anything. And here, if we grab it now, the air vents need to come out in an angle, okay, like that, and that piece, okay, you can see it just came out like that. We're missing one clip right here, it fell behind the dash. I see it right here, so I'm going to put this one back where it belongs, okay, like that. Inspect that you have all of them, you can see, okay, there is one more missing. Right there, we're going to get a replacement one and put that one, or try to find it behind the dash. But practically those are the clips. So before we continue, okay, let's see what else we need to do. So the center dash vents, both of them will be identical. We'll just explain on one of them. But guys, if they're not aligned, if they came loose, we have a special video how to fix broken dash vent on Dodge Challenger. Video will be on our channel. But here what we need to do, we need to spread, okay, right here, spread like that, these two clips. Careful not to scratch and break things, don't spread them too much. And then we come on this side, okay, and that vent came out, guys. Check this thing out, that whole vent, okay, is out, just like that. If you need to fix it, if you need to take it apart and realign everything, we'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. But you can see, guys, practically that's how we do it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.